Enjoy the view. In BMWs with Operating System 8, you can individualize the display view in the instrument cluster and the optional head-up display. All display settings can be controlled from the right spoke of the multifunctional steering wheel. Just press the Display Settings button to start configuration. Spin the knurled wheel to see all available content widgets. Now click to select one. Push the knurled wheel once to the right to adjust the instrument cluster display layout. Spin the wheel to switch from Drive to Focus, showing you the most important drive-specific displays, or Gallery for an overview of additional widget content. Push the knurled wheel to the right again to change the head-up display layout. Choose between the views by spinning the wheel and select your favorite. Perfect. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.